Your next car could be the 2022 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera, remote engine start. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need. The Ram 1500.